Welcome to my channel Ratri Theater. Now we discuss about motivation and success in this video. Before that, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, then let's start the video.
Introduction, opening shot, a calm, motivating background. Perhaps a sunrise or someone walking toward a mountain peak. Hey there, welcome to Goal Setting 101. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for personal and professional success: setting goals. Whether you're striving for a career breakthrough, personal growth, or a new fitness routine, the ability to set clear, actionable goals can be a game changer. But don't just take my word for it. Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their goals? That's a staggering number. And yet, those who do are often the ones who plan, track, and set their intentions with purpose. Let's get into how you can become one of the successful few. Understanding goals, visuals, close-up shots of people working on goals, writing in journals, planning, reflecting. Before we get into the specifics of setting goals, let's start with what they actually are. A goal is simply a desired outcome or target that you aim to achieve. Goals can be small or large, and they serve as the direction you're heading in. There are two main types of goals: short-term and long-term. Short-term goals are those you can accomplish in a short period, like finishing a project in a week. Long-term goals, on the other hand, might take months or even years to reach, like running a marathon or earning a degree. But why should we even bother setting goals? Simple. Goals give you focus, boost motivation, and provide a sense of accountability. When you know exactly what you're working toward, it becomes easier to stay on track and push through challenges. The SMART criteria: visuals, whiteboard, or graphics breaking down each element of SMART. So, how do you ensure your goals are effective? One of the best frameworks is the SMART criteria. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific. Your goal should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating healthier." Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. If you're aiming for a promotion, measurable steps could include applying for specific roles or taking leadership courses. Achievable. Ensure the goal is within your reach, but still challenging. Don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant. Your goal should matter to you and align with your broader ambitions. Time-bound. Set a realistic deadline. For example, "I want to save $5,000 in 6 months," instead of just "I want to save money." By using SMART goals, you move from vague wishes to concrete, actionable targets. Steps to set effective goals: visuals, host writing on a whiteboard or using a notebook, showing the process of brainstorming, prioritizing, and breaking down goals. Let's talk about how to actually set effective goals. First up, brainstorming. Take a moment to think about your dreams and aspiration, big or small, and write them down. Don't hold back. Next, prioritize. Once you have a list, figure out which goals matter the most to you right now. Some might be more urgent or attainable, while others might need more time and effort. Focus on what's most meaningful and realistic. Finally, break down those big dreams into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to run a marathon, your smaller goals might include running a 5K, then a 1K, gradually building your stamina until you're ready for the full race. Creating an action plan. Visuals, examples of planning tools, apps, calendars, and notebooks being used. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to make them happen with an action plan. A good action plan includes setting a timeline and breaking down tasks into bite-sized pieces. This will help you stay on track and make steady progress. Setting deadlines for each step can help you stay accountable. And don't forget to track your progress, whether it's through a journal, a habit tracker app, or even a simple checklist. Seeing your achievements along the way keeps you motivated and shows you how far you've come. Staying motivated. Visuals, people celebrating small wins, visualizing success, checking off goals on a list. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when the road gets long. But here are some tips to keep that fire burning. Visualization. Take a moment every day to imagine yourself achieving your goal. Picture the feeling of crossing that finish line or hitting your target. Accountability partners. Share your goals with someone who can keep you accountable, whether it's a friend, family member, or coach. Rewards. Celebrate small victories along the way. It'll keep you engaged and excited to push forward. And remember, flexibility is key. Life happens, and sometimes your goals may need adjusting. It's okay to reassess and shift your focus as needed. Conclusion. Visuals. Host smiling, energized, and confident. All right, let's recap. Setting goals is a powerful way to focus your energy and achieve what you want in life. To do it right, make sure your goals are SMART, break them down into actionable steps, create an action plan, and stay motivated along the way. The most important part? Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Write down your goals and take the first step towards achieving them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal development. And don't forget to share this with anyone you know who could use a little goal-setting inspiration. Also, drop your goals in the comments below. I'd love to hear them and offer some encouragement. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is right now.